Are you tired of spending hours planning your trips? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best strategies for efficient trip planning to ensure your adventures are seamless and stress-free. Planning a trip can be overwhelming. From choosing the perfect destination to finding accommodations, transportation and activities, the sheer amount of information can lead to decision fatigue. Plus, generic plans often miss the personal touch, making your trip less memorable. But what if there was a way to streamline this process and make it more enjoyable? While technology offers fantastic tools for trip planning, don't overlook the value of local and national travel operators. These experts can provide personalized recommendations and exclusive deals that you might not find online. For example, we've booked many holidays through our local dive shop, In-Depth Scuba, and with the national group, Dive Adventures. Both have provided us with incredible dive holidays, complete with insider tips and unique experiences that made our trips unforgettable. For our latest land trip, we use Valhalla Travel as the local travel operator and highly recommend them too. So, consider blending modern tools with the expertise of local operators to create a travel plan that is both efficient and deeply enriching. Let's explore some interactive trip planning strategies that can transform the way you travel. Online tools like Google Travel, TripIt, Airbnb Experiences offer comprehensive solutions to organize your itinerary. Travel apps such as Roam, Turio and Skyscanner help you find the best transport options and flight deals. Our current favorite apps are TripIt Pro and Wanderlog that work on the desktop and on your mobile device. Collaborative platforms like Trello and Google Docs make it easy to plan with friends and family, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Interactive planning saves you time, helps you discover hidden gems, and allows you to create a personalized itinerary that suits your preferences. Imagine finding that perfect off-the-beaten-path cafe or a stunning viewpoint only locals know about. For example, our local operator gave us some great suggestions for a funky tourist dinner in Galway Island that we would not have known about. These tools make it all possible. Incorporating these interactive planning strategies into your travel routine can make your trips smoother, more enjoyable, and truly unforgettable. Ready to revolutionize your travel planning? Try out the tools we've discussed and share your experiences in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips.